grateful to the organizer. Every drop counts, every donor matters, every pin saves up to 3 lives, and yet millions do not donate. Good afternoon, respected judges, honorable guests, and fellow participants. I, Jenny Sakofrel from grade 10 as a student of Rosemary Idol Boarding School, stand before you today on a cause that touches countless lives every single day, yet goes unnoticed until the moment it becomes personal. Give blood, give hope, together we save lives. A reminder to each one of us that we can offer something truly priceless, the life. Imagine this, a child clinging to life after a tragic accident, a cancer patient in drowning rounds of chemotherapies, and a mother during labor with unexpected complications. What do they all have in common? Guess what? They are alive today just because someone decided to give blood. Blood is not just a red fluid liquid flowing through our veins, it's life itself. Blood cannot be manufactured in labs or somewhere around else. The only source of blood is a healthy human donor. We, we are the donors. We can save lives together, not with the superpowers, but with the simple act of gesture and kindness that takes us 10 to 15 minutes and could mean the world to someone else. Today, I urge you to see the blood donation not as a medical act, but as a humanitarian one. Give blood is to give life. Give blood is to give hope. Well, blood donors are also getting benefited by donating blood. Regular donation can help you reduce the iron level in the blood, lowering the risk of heart diseases. Blood donation can be very beneficial for you for burning calories. You could get a free health checkups. Before donating blood, you get a mini health screening test which helps detect some potential health issues in you. See the blood donation as a mental way of creating satisfaction. As I said before, 1 pint of blood can save up to 3 lives. Just one. In less than an hour, you become a silent hero. Your blood coursing through the veins of strangers, giving strength where there was once weakness, time where there was once urgency, and hope where there was once despair. A drop for you, a life for someone else. Blood is meant to circulate, pass it around. These slogans are for the encouragement for people to donate blood. But somehow many people do not donate blood as they think it could be risky for their health. Nepal is currently facing a lot of problems and crises through blood across the country. The Nepal Red Cross Society has urged the public to donate blood. Several organizations have organized donation drives. Despite these efforts, the demands remain high. Every few seconds, somewhere someone needs a blood transfusion. Yet, only a small fraction of number of eligible donors are able to give blood, able to give mass casualties, or even the local sorties can lag the difference between life and death. We tend to think that a real change requires a grand gesture, but a blood donation, a simple act of gesture, repels outward in such a way that you may never fully see. It's the most direct and tangible way to give someone's hope in their hands who desperately needs it. You don't need wealth, fame, influence to save lives. You just need to show up that humanity still cares. So I ask you, if you could hold someone's hope in your hands, could you? At the end, I just wanted to invite you all to see beyond the blood and the needle, also the bag, and see the life changed, families reunited, and hope restored, all because someone somewhere decided to give blood. With all of that, we could give a message to the world that we are still connected. Give blood, give hope, and in doing so, give life. Thank you.